So moving from the poster child or the poster coffee of ADR, what about ODR? What's ODR?
Online dispute resolution. Online dispute resolution is basically using internet type of technology in ADR processes. And in many ways, we integrate ODR into our ADR practice on an everyday basis, just insofar as we connect, our mediators connect with clients in using email, right, or Skype, yeah, or any other form of technology. There are also ODR platforms which are specially designed to offer mediation or other forms of ADR, but it's basically integrating technology into ADR processes. It's not a form. I wouldn't say it's a form of ADR on its own. It's the use of technology in ADR.
Sounds like it's an enabler for ADR.
Yeah, it's an enabler in many ways, because you have the ability to reach different audiences around the world and bring people together who mightn't be able to physically come and sit at the same table, whether that's because they're in different countries or because some parties mightn't feel safe sitting in a room with another party. And if you can facilitate bringing people together through technology, you can create dispute resolution processes where they would not otherwise be possible.